Saidi, have you got WH questions? Recite. Hey, everybody look here. నిన్న నువ్వు ఎందుకు వచ్చావు? రేపు నువ్వు ఎలా వస్తావు? వెరీ గుడ్. Have you got do as formulas?
I have got it.
Recite.
Do plus runner branch plus V1 Raju does plus runner branch plus V1 Raju plus runner branch plus V1 Ninna Manna plus runner branch plus V1 Ninna Repu Elundi 10 plus runner branch plus V1 Alva Gada Gada our S plus V3 plus object ఇప్పుడే ఇందాకే.
Wait. నిన్న నువ్వు వచ్చావా?
Did you come yesterday?
Right. రేపు నువ్వు ఆడుకుంటావా?
Will you play tomorrow?
Right. Very good. Have you got tenses? Remove the mask.
Simple present subject plus VM.
Get up and say.
Simple present subject plus VM plus object plus subject plus VM plus object Ninna Manna. Future subject plus will plus VM plus object plus present continuous subject plus is plus given inform plus object. Present perfect subject plus have plus V3 plus object ఇప్పుడే.
Very good. నేను నిన్న వచ్చాను.
I came yesterday.
Right. నేను రోజు చదువుతాను.
I read every day.
Very good. Sit down. And I would like to ask one question. Any one of you raise your hand. I will give you the chance. If you know the answer, raise the hand. Okay. Have you understood? Right. అతను నిన్న ఎందుకు నిద్రపోయాడు? Yes. Remove the mask.
Why did he sleep yesterday?
Very good. Clap for him.